Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Unauthorized use of these methods is illegal and unethical. Always obtain proper authorization before performing any information gathering. Welcome to CyberNexus. Today, we are going to gather information using Windows command line. Here are the contents we are about to discuss. Number 1. Open source information gathering tool. As an ethical hacker or penetration tester, one of the initial steps in information gathering is to assess the reachability and basic network details of a target. Windows provides several command line utilities that are essential for this purpose. Let's dive into the tools you mentioned: ping, NSLookup, and Tracert. These tools help gather key information, such as IP addresses and network configurations, which serve as a foundation for more advanced reconnaissance and security assessments. Number 2. The Tracert Command. The Tracert Command in Windows is a network troubleshooting tool that traces the path data packets take from your computer to a target destination. It shows each hop, router, along the way and the time it takes to reach each one. This helps identify network issues and understand the route data takes. Let's dive into a practical example for better understanding. We'll use the Tracert command to trace the route data takes to reach Google's DNS server at 8.8.8.8. Here we can see that 192.168.1.1 is our device ID address. This 192.168.0.1 is our router gateway. Now you can see I am using SN Fiber Internet, that their server IP address. So on this is our target DNS server. Our packet reached after 14 routes. Number 3. The ping command. The ping tool in Windows tests the reachability of a host on an IP network by sending ICMP echo request messages and waiting for echo reply messages. This helps determine if the target host is reachable and measures the round-trip time for messages. Here are some examples of how to use the ping command in Windows. Basic ping command. This command sends 4 ICMP echo request messages to target hostname or IP address and waits for replies. For example, I ping 8.8.8.8 and see the output result. Bytes equals 32 confirms that the reply contains 32 bytes of data. It shows the round-trip time, RTT, in milliseconds for the packet to travel to the target and back. The times vary, indicating network latency. It means the shortest round-trip time recorded, meaning the data traveled the fastest. This longest round-trip time recorded, meaning the data took the longest to travel. This is the average round-trip time for all packets, giving you an overall idea of how long it usually takes for the data to travel. Ping with a specific number of echo requests. For this we will use ping command with specific number. For example, I want to send 10 ICMP echo request messages to 8.8.8.8. For example, I ping with following command: ping n 10 8.8.8.8. You can see it sent only 10 request messages. Ping with a specific packet size. For example, ping L 1008.8.8.8. This command sends ICMP echo request messages with a packet size of 1000 bytes to 8.8.8.8. Ping with continuous echo requests. This command continuously sends ICMP echo request messages to target until you stop it manually, usually with Ctrl+C. For example, ping T8.8.8.8. This command sets a timeout of 1000 milliseconds, 1 second, for each reply. You can see it continuously sending. Let's stop it by pressing Ctrl+C. Number 4. The NSLookup Command. The NSLookup, named Server Lookup, command in Windows is a network administration tool used to query the domain name system, DNS, to obtain domain name or IP address mappings and other DNS records. It helps troubleshoot DNS-related issues by providing detailed information about DNS queries. Let's dive into a practical example for better understanding. To find the IP address of google.com, you would use NSLookup 8.8.8.8 or google.com. It's not showing server, but server is dns.google. Address of public Google DNS is 8.8.8.8. This is IPv6 address, 2404:60800:4003, C03, 64. This is IPv4 address. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more contents. See you in the next video.